welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be a test on the Potter panel. But I'm pretty sure this test is system test 40, something like that. I could be mistaken, obviously, but I think that's the number. So, I have a interesting test. And no, it's not EST, but I left up the EST pull station. I should have put a BG12, but I didn't. So, anyway, we have my Edwards 270 SPO, local alarm, my system sensor Specteralert classic horn strobe, fixed 1575 candela, and it's on electromechanical. It's on 3000 hertz, I think that's the tone, and code 3. And then you have the L series horn strobe, also on 3000 hertz, and it's multi-candela, obviously, and it's on 15. So, basically, I just have a 3000 hertz test, because why not? So, let's get to testing. So, let me pull this. Should really put this in because my headphones aren't very good. Okay. So, now I need to reset the pull station. And we're gonna go activate the smoke detector, which is right here. So, here we go. I wish the acknowledge button would actually acknowledge the piezo on the panel, but oh well. But now, as you can hear, this one is a interrupted 3000 hertz, and this one is it's like a regular code 3 horn. It's not interrupted, which I find kind of interesting. This one sounds like a older smoke detector, and this one sounds more like a regular fire alarm device. So anyway, I think that's everything for this video. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.